SQL injection is one of the most dangerous vulnerabilities for web applications, but with Tenable, you can easily detect and protect against it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to detect SQL injection vulnerabilities with Tenable quickly and effectively, so you can start securing your web applications right away. Before we dive in, you can get access to Tenable for free through the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Stick around because I'll be sharing how you can get an extended free trial to try it out for yourself. First things first, what is SQL injection? SQL injection happens when an attacker can manipulate your web application SQL queries, allowing them to execute malicious commands that could access or damage your database. Detecting these vulnerabilities early is crucial, and that's where Tenable comes in. Next, let's talk about setting up Tenable. To start, you'll want to install Tenable's Nessus or Tenable IO on your system. Once installed, open your dashboard and create a new scan. You can choose from a variety of scan templates, but for detecting SQL injection vulnerabilities, the Web Application Tests template is your best bet. The third thing to keep in mind is configuring your scan. You'll need to input the URL of the web application you're testing and select the necessary authentication methods, like adding login credentials, to ensure the scan covers all areas. If you don't have authentication set up, Tenable will still run a basic scan, but a more thorough scan requires access to your application's internal resources. Next thing, once your scan is configured, you can start the scan process. Nessus will crawl your website, attempting various attacks to identify vulnerabilities. During this time, it will check for any SQL injection issues, such as input fields or query parameters that are susceptible to attack. Make sure to monitor the progress, as the scan may take some time depending on the size of the website. The fourth thing to note is how Tenable reports SQL injection vulnerabilities. After the scan is complete, you'll get a detailed report outlining potential vulnerabilities. For SQL injections, Tenable will flag the specific areas in your application that are at risk and offer suggestions on how to fix them. You'll see a severity rating for each finding, from low to critical, and you can prioritize your patching efforts accordingly. The fifth point to mention is how Tenable integrates with your existing workflow. It's not just about scanning for vulnerabilities, but also about automating the process. Tenable lets you set up recurring scans, so you don't have to worry about manually testing your applications for SQL injection vulnerabilities every time. You can schedule scans weekly, monthly, or whenever you prefer. Before I wrap up, remember that Tenable offers an exclusive extended free trial, so you can test everything I've shown you with zero commitment. This makes it a great opportunity to get hands-on experience with the tool and secure your applications from SQL injection attacks. So to recap, detect SQL injection vulnerabilities easily with Tenable by setting up a scan, configuring it correctly, and letting Tenable's powerful technology do the work for you. Be sure to check out the exclusive link below to get your free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching!